How to connect to RDS data using Designer. First, drag the RDS query component onto the canvas of an orchestration pipeline. Then navigate to the component properties. Basic or Advanced mode gives you the option to construct your query in two different ways. In Advanced mode, you can write your own SQL to query your RDS data. In Basic mode, you can construct a query using the data source, data selection, and data source filter properties. Then select your database type from the drop-down. Then enter your RDS endpoint, which you can find in your AWS account. Enter the database name you want to access. Then enter the username and password for your database connection. When the authentication has been successful, you'll have access to your RDS data sources. These can be found under the data source property. For this example, we'll select the airport's data source. After the data source has been selected, the data selection property allows you to select specific columns from the data source. Then enter the warehouse, database, and schema used to run your query. The special value environment default will use the defaults defined in your environment settings. Then, under the target table name property, choose the table name you want to load your data to. Then it's time to select where your data will be staged. In this example, we'll be using a Snowflake managed staging area. An Amazon S3 location and bucket can be selected if preferred. Opting to use S3 will reveal additional properties to configure the staging location. Now check the orchestration pipeline has validated successfully. Then click the Run button to run the pipeline. Your RDS data will now be available in the target table defined earlier. For full information on the RDS query component and the Data Productivity Cloud, please visit the Matillion documentation site.